Hi everyone, so we're here today for the SAT question of the day for August 19th, 2011. As you'll see by looking in the upper right hand corner, 67% of students answered this one correctly. So kind of a medium level question. Alright, let's go ahead and read it. Johannes Gutenberg is generally credited to bring together the two main concepts of modern printing: movable pieces of metal type that could be reused, and a printing press for producing sharp impressions of paper over and over. Alright, well, the key phrase here, of course, is the part that's underlined. That's the part that you need to try to improve upon. And it says that Gutenberg is generally credited to bring. He is credited to bring. So it's this expression here that we're worried about. We're really not worried about the rest of the sentence. Okay. And that's not how you're supposed to say it. What you're trying to say is that Gutenberg is given credit for these concepts. And the best preposition that you could use in that spot is actually the preposition with. You're supposed to say that Gutenberg is credited with bringing together the two main concepts of modern printing. All right? So that's what's called an idiomatic expression. Now, an idiomatic expression is basically an expression that cannot be logically explained. In other words, that's just how you say it. And so it can be sort of a frustrating thing to teach as a tutor because there isn't a whole lot of logic behind it. Somewhere a long time ago, someone decided that that's how you say it, right? So it is very much just a memorization type activity. That's a crazy E. Let me see if I can fix that. There we go. So, first of all, let's select the right answer. Credited with bringing. Okay, so the answer would be D. But for further information here, here's what I want you to do. Go on to Google and Google the phrases prepositional idioms and phrasal verbs. Take a look at the information surrounding those two terms because that's what's being tested on the SAT. Are prepositional idioms, in other words, idiomatic expressions involving prepositions, and phrasal verbs because there's usually a verb involved as well. And you can take a look, try to find some word lists, see if you can find some of the more common ones or the more commonly misused ones, and that should help you be prepared for this type of a question on the SAT.